Hello Sanbonani, my name is CBO. I would like to say thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing chicken Christopher or Schnitzel, as some call it. Let's begin. Now we're doing breadcrumbs. It's either you buy them or you blend them in a food processor. Wash and pat dry the chicken. Wash it in vinegar or lemon and cut it in half. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Now let's season the chicken. Sprinkle salt, pepper, and smoked paprika, which is optional. Rub the seasoning in using your hand, then turn over the chicken and repeat the same process of seasoning and rubbing. Beat the eggs. Then coat the chicken in flour first. Then into the eggs. Then followed by breadcrumbs. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you choose to stay. Put the chicken on a tray or a baking pan, then put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. On medium heat, in a pan, heat oil, then add butter and fry the chicken until golden on each side. The estimated time will be 4 minutes on each side. Otherwise, use a meat thermometer that should be 74 degrees Celsius to check if it is well cooked. The chicken is well cooked. Now let's make butter sauce to accompany the chicken. On medium heat in a pan, heat chicken stock or white cooking wine. Add minced garlic and stir. Simmer until it reduces to half, stirring in between. Once the stock or wine reduces, add cream, stir, and reduce the cream. When it reduces, it will thicken. Once the cream thickens, add lemon juice, stir, and cook for another 2 minutes. Once it simmers, take the cream off the heat. Add cubed chilled butter, 1 block at a time. Now take it back to medium to low heat. Add cornstarch paste. Stir until the sauce is thick. It will be ready by then. I hope you have enjoyed my video. I would like to say thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.